In this video, we're going to explore computer-assisted audit techniques, or CATs. Since most information that the IS auditor is collecting is going to be in computerized form, digitized form, it only makes sense that we have tools that allow us to collect this information from a wide variety of environments and actually analyze that information. CATs are critical tools for information gathering. They allow us to analyze data with a high degree of reliability. It allows the IS auditor to get access to specific and granular pieces of predetermined audit objective data and to report the findings in a very effective and efficient way. The IS auditor wants to look at the costs and the benefits of implementing computer-assisted audit techniques, which consist of scanning, debugging, tools and utilities, tracing programs, expert systems, and generalized audit software, GAS. GAS is standard software that has the ability to actually specifically read and access data from a wide variety of different database platforms. For example, MySQL, SQL, NoSQL, Oracle, as well as flat file systems and ASCII formats. It's a valuable tool for file management of the data files, making it easier to analyze and do high-level problem solving. It's effective for selecting data, for filtration and exfiltration, or extracting filtered information. It involves statistical tools that perform mathematical computations, statistical analysis, checking for sequence and duplicates, as well as recomputation. It involves elaborate arithmetic utilities. CAT tools and techniques involve analyzing transactions and balances, evaluating audit review techniques, testing the compliance of information systems controls, assessing vulnerabilities and weaknesses in systems, services, and deployments, testing applications and source code, performing penetration testing. Here's a list of automated CAT tools at Wikipedia. You can see there's actually 7 of them listed here, along with who developed them, the latest stable version, and the latest release date. All of these are Windows-based, and they're proprietary commercial licensing. None of them are open source. There's some comments over here as well. For example, Audit Command Language, ACL, Interactive Data Extraction Analysis, IDEA, and SoftCat or ECAT. So check them out. When an IS auditor makes the decision to use the computer-assisted audit techniques, there's going to be several things to consider. For example, what are the installation requirements? What platforms do they run on? What's the usability? What's the training ramp up or the learning curve to use this CAT? Is the technique and tool flexible for a wide variety of businesses and organizations? Can it handle complex situations? Does it perform effective data migration and exfiltration? Does it include integrity mechanisms? For example, digital signatures, timestamp. Is the software reliable? What sort of vendor support do you have for the CAAT? As you can see, I'm in the ITAF. I'm looking at ISACA Audit and Assurance Standard 2207, Irregularity and Illegal Acts. IS auditors and professionals should have a good understanding of CATs and where to apply them and using these type of standards and guidelines. You should review the results of engagement processes and find out whether there's indications of irregularities or illegal acts that have happened. Using computer-assisted audit techniques can actually assist in detecting these types of activities. You can see that these guidelines also link to other standards like 1005 Due Professional Care, 1201 Engagement Planning, 1202 Risk Assessment and Planning, 1207 Irregularity and Illegal Acts, and 1401 Reporting. In this video, we explored computer-assisted audit techniques, CATs.